Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, students, we will continue our chapter number 1 exercise. Okay, let's start then. First of all, question number 1 of your exercise of chapter number 1 food we eat is pick the correct answer. So, students, first is sugar and starch are, you have to tick on the word carbohydrates. Second, a nutrient that keep us warm. Students, click on the word fat. Question number 3, a nutrient that is required where in very small amount but is essential for the body is, students, click on the word vitamin. Now D point, which of the following has no nutritional value? Tick on the word roughage. Tick on the word roughage. E point, a labor who does a lot of physical work require a diet rich in, tick on the word carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. So student, question number 2 is now fill in the blanks. First, dash are nutrients that should be eaten in the least quantity. What is the answer of this question? Minerals. Minerals. Second, dash solution is used to test the presence of starch, carbohydrate in food. Answer is iodine. Iodine. Third, dash has no nutritive value. Answer is roughage. D, vitamin dash is good for the eyes and skin. Answer is A, vitamin A. E point, dash is an essential mineral for healthy bones and teeth. Answer is calcium. Answer is calcium. Next question is, give 2 examples of food rich in. Give 2 examples of food rich in. First, carbohydrates. Answer is potato, rice. Proteins. Answer is milk, egg. Fats. Answer is oil, butter. Iron. Answer is spinach, apple. Vitamin C, orange and amla is the answer. Next question is, answer the following. First question, define the terms nutrients, roughage, balanced diet. So students, first of all, we will write about nutrients. Useful substances present in the food. What is the answer of nutrients? Useful substances present in the food. Now, roughage, the fiber present in the food. What are fibers? Roughage, the fiber present in the food. Balanced diet, a diet that contains all the nutrients, water and roughage in the right proportion. This is answer of balanced diet. Now come on question number 2. B part. Question number 2. B. Are the food requirements same for all human beings? Explain with 2 examples. So answer is no, comma, the food requirements are not same for all human beings. Example, older people are not very active and need less energy. Second point, a laborer who does physical work needs energy. Now question number 3. Why should roughage be included in our daily diet? Answer is roughage helps in removal of waste materials from our body. Now question number 4. Why is water essential for the body? First point in this question is water helps in removal of waste from the body. Second, it also helps to maintain body temperature. Okay, students. Now, question number E. How can you prevent wastage of food? Answer is we can prevent wastage of food by serving only with that much food that our body needs. Now, fifth question. Distinguish between carbohydrates and protein. Answer is carbohydrates are energy giving nutrients. Carbohydrates are energy giving nutrients, while proteins are body building nutrients. While proteins are body building nutrients. Students, today till here. Tomorrow we will continue in the next the tomorrow we will continue the question answers. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.